So we have that spinner thing and that, and the gumball machine.
Yeah, show me how it works. Whoa, you got two! How awesome!
Oh, the orange one's for me and the green one's for you.
Oh, thank you.
Open it.
Say ah. Oh, it's gum. It's not candy. Oh, it's gum. Duh. Gumball Machine. Awesome. You like it? Вкусно. Ням, ням, ням.
It doesn't choke you when you lay down.
I wouldn't. Yum.
Yum.
Why'd you get the Gumball Machine?
From Chuck E. Cheese.
But why?
Because I worked.
You worked? Because you did what?
Homework.
Yeah. What did you do for homework?
A gumball machine.
No, what did you do for homework?
Mommy buy the gumball for me, a gumball machine, and she buy that and buy that.
No, that you got for points. Yeah, the UFO you got for points because we lost one at the beach, and that was for my birthday party. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. But what did you do for homework? For this.
Look. Ah! How I'm stuck.
Держи. А? Опять залез? Давай. О-о. Куда заползаешь опять? Все, сиди. Все?
I'm really stuck.
Uh-oh. So don't do it again. Don't get stuck again.
And it will go down.
Oh, okay, yeah. You gotta be careful, that's right. So, was it fun?
Yeah.
No, Chuck E. Cheese is fun. Our Chuck E. Cheese is fun.
Yeah, because they have gumball machines.
We have so many games, and it's all brand new. Cool.
No.
Давай я буду суфлером. Ты залезай туда и рассказывай будешь. Я тебе буду подсказывать.
Нет. Гамба.
Давай, я тебе буду подсказывать. Давай.
Однажды стадиону зимний полу. Я изи вышел. Был сильный мороз. Лежу. Поднимается. Медленно гору. Я лошадка. Слышая. С гору. Хворосту. Yes, I did it by myself.
Окей, из меня такой суфлер. Зашибись. Давай еще одну. There it goes.
Yeah.
Желтая. Ура!
And I'll get one for you.
Нет, спасибо, я не хочу.